ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ.
Namaskar.
Very good evening to one and all. As we are aware that today we are going to have a session of how to be better utilizing our tools, that is a breathe. We would give a couple of more minutes for people to join. Just to let you know that this program will be more delivered from our trainer and the most of the event executor by Miss Supriya Ranganathan. Before the session could be started, from our today's trainer, today's speaker, could you please let know how many of you are totally from Kannada, Telugu or Hindi? This would be to let you know, this would be more on English terms for better audience reach. So if there is somebody who can not understand English, please raise your hand. So such calls could be taken up subsequently from the trainer later. There is a request from Prabhakar Rao Banigiri to make you as a host. Is there anything that you want to say? We would give a couple of more minutes. People would be floating in slowly. To let you know that this program is being conducted under the banner of Sri Jayaguru Raghavendra Swami Seva Trust, where this trust is aged about 3 years, and mostly I see everybody known families joining here except for few people. To give an intro about this trust has been started by few like-minded people to inculcate spiritual values into our society, and also to give them some guidelines on how to, apart from executing the spiritual activities, we would also be interested in running some key speakers being introduced to our programs, which happens once in a fortnight or once in a month. This time we are lucky to get the slot of Supriya Ranganathan, who would be our key speaker this time. Last session we had a 15 days back, so we very quickly we are able to execute this with a 2 weeks gap. The last session was on a financial management, which was well received by our audience. And now this session is about how to individually manage our results, where today's speaker is Ms. Supriya Ranganathan, who is hailing from Bhagyanagar, from Kondapur area, who happens to be the daughter of one of our committee members, Mr. Ranganath Rao. She has been practicing this breath exercises and guiding people as well from quite some years. And she is individually practicing since the age of 10 years of hers. And she's been a constant, regular, active participant of art of living classes. Their home itself, with the help of her mother and with the backing of her father, her home itself is an ashram or a center being executed. And she's practicing this daily for 40 minutes time. Who is basically for a profession, she's into wedding planning, and also an event planner who is a BBA holder from Ahmedabad Institute as an event planner and PR relations. But she has taken up the career of an entrepreneur. She's a young entrepreneur, to be reminded to you that she's a wedding planner and also an event executor. She's as well undergoing the regression therapy, which will help control from few hard diseases which cannot be cured with the medicines, but with their emotional trainings, such patients could be recovered because of this regression therapist. She's more interested in curing the people's problems. She's undergoing this training, and she has been trained under major trainers under AOL. To name few, it's been Himanshu Nagarkar and Dr. James Stone, who are famous trainers on emotion trainings. She has been undergoing training, and she has underwent few of the sessions from both Mr. Himanshu Nagarkar and Dr. James Stone. Himanshu Nagarkar, most of you would be knowing, He has been training Indian Army on most of the emotionals and neuro-linguistic programs. And Dr. James Stone, who has been prominent trainer for NASA, IIM, IIT, Harvard, and Indian Army. So here we get a privilege here by the grace of Sri Hari Guru and Sri Hayagriva Devaru and Raghavendra Swamigalu, that we are being made a part to learn this breathing. How do you utilize the most powerful tool which is within you? Sometimes we forget about it. But then today we are getting a chance to know more about this exercises. I request Ms. Supriya Ranganathan to take over. Before she could take over, could I know how many of you are not have an inability to follow the English, please? Please raise your hands so that your queries could be taken care subsequently on a one-to-one talk for a couple of minutes, having a connect with Supriya Ranganathan. This you can do it by texting or by raising your hands, please. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಆಗಮನ. ಇದು ಶ್ರೀ ಜಯಗುರು ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸೇವಾ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ನಡೆಸ್ತಿದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಬ್ರೀತ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಶ್ವಾಸೋಚ್ಛ್ವಾಸನ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯತೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಪಡಿಬೇಕು ಎಂಬ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಿಸ್ ಸುಪ್ರಿಯಾ ರಂಗನಾಥನ್ ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಇದನ್ನ ಸುಮಾರು 15 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ಅವರು ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅದರೊಂದು ಏನು ಲಾಭ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಲಭ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ we will welcome Supriya Ranganathan to take over the platform.
Thank you so much. Can you also make me the co-host?
Yes, sure. One second.
And oh yeah.
It cannot be co-host. Now you are the host.
Okay. No. Great. So hello everybody. It is very, very exciting to be with you all today. Thank you so much for that great introduction. It was really nice. I would also request all of you to turn on your cameras. Can you all please turn on your cameras, because this is going to be an interactive session. This session is not just me talking and you listening and this is doing something else on the side. This is me talking and you answering, because this is for you. This session is for you. And I would request you all to turn on your cameras, please. I'll give you 30 seconds. If you can, please turn on your cameras. Unless you have an issue with your camera or other issues, then that's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for turning on your cameras. Great. Thank you. All right. Thank you so much. Pranesh ji, Pavan ji, Prabhakar. Thank you so much, Srinivas Rao. Thank you. It's great seeing all of you all. Okay. So that was a fantastic introduction, but I'd like to tell you that we're not here to control anything. So when we say controlling our mind, controlling our breath, that's not what we're trying to do. Okay. So we're here to learn about how our breath is really, really helpful for us to handle our mind. Because even though we have everything in life, we sometimes forget that we sometimes cannot have our emotions under control. We sometimes just lose everything, and we know everything intellectually. We know, okay, we're not supposed to get angry. Anger should not come. You know, we read every quote every single day that anger is not good for our lungs or our kidneys or every part of the body. This emotion will affect this, and all that we know intellectually. But when it really comes down to that moment of sadness, when you're really sad, when you're really stuck by all these emotions in life, what do you do? Who is going to teach us all this? Let me ask you one question. How many people have learned on how to handle the mind before? Has someone taught you in school on how to handle the mind? Yes. So this is the Zoom language. If it's a yes, it's this. If it's a no, it's this. If it's I don't know, it's this. Okay. Super yes is this. So have you guys learned how to handle the mind before? Yes? No? Somewhat. Prabhakar Rao says somewhat. Someone says no, somewhat. Pavan says okay. Yeah. So not everybody has been taught in school. Maybe a very few schools have taught you how to handle the mind. In college, premium institutes people send us to, our parents send us to the most fantastic institutes. Do they teach you how to handle the mind there? What happens when you get angry? Do they tell you yes, no? No. Everybody says no. What about in your jobs? Best jobs. Oh, I got a placement in TCS and I Googled and whatnot. All these premium colleges and all of these placement officers put you in very good places. And do they teach you how to handle your emotions in your jobs? They actually take all of your emotions away. They put you in such a bad place. All your bosses and subordinates are the worst there. Do you learn how to handle your emotions during your college or during your office life? No? Yes? Where do you learn? Do you learn it from your parents? They also don't know how to handle their emotions, because it's not their fault, because they also don't know, they have also not taught on how to handle their emotions very well. So who teaches you how to handle your mind? What is this mind? How does it work? Have you ever wondered on what happens when anger strikes, when jealousy strikes, when there is overthinking and you cannot sleep at night? What happens? Tell me what happens when you can't do it, and how do you handle it? What do you do? Hmm? Anybody wants to unmute, you can unmute and speak, or you can use the chat box if you want. Hmm? What happens? What do you do when you get angry?
No, to reduce my stress, I would be watching more comedy films, which will pacify to some extent, if not a larger extent. Yes, to some extent, it will pacify.
Yes. So comedy movies, and we try
having
to
a cup of coffee or multiple coffees. Of course, the repercussion effect would be an acidity. That's a different story. But yeah, for the time being, at that point, having a big cup of coffee will suppress it.
Yes. So sometimes we try to put it off, saying, oh, let me watch a comedy movie, or let me have a cup of coffee and my anger will come down, or I'll try to divert my mind into something else. So all our life, we've been trying to divert our anger, divert our emotions. But is it really helping us? We store a lot of these energies of pain, emotion, aggression, all of these in the parts of the body. So the mind and our emotions are very closely connected. Every emotion that you have, actually listen carefully, I'm telling you something really important. Every emotion that you have, anger, joy, jealousy, happiness, everything, fear, all these emotions have an effect directly on your body. Do you know that? Did you know that? So every emotion that occurs, you have a certain reaction towards it. You're driving a bike. You imagine you're driving a bike right now in full speed. You're on the highway. Suddenly a cat comes in between. You stop the bike, right? What's the reaction to it? Your breath stops. So there's a breath. The breath comes in. So there is breath, mind, and body. Three of them go together. So there is a certain reaction that takes place. So the breath is the link between the body and the mind. Did you know that? It's such a simple thing. Do we never notice it? Take your attention to your breath right now. How are you breathing? Have you ever put your attention? Take a deep breath in and hold. And breathe out. How long can you hold your breath? Did you know that we have 4 sources in which we get our energy? One source is food. How much food do we generally take in? 3 kilos, 2 kilos of food every day with everything. 2 kilos, everybody agrees to 2 kilos of food. 1.5, 2 kilos. How much water do we take in? 4 liters of water, 3 liters, 2 liters of water. So yeah, 5 liters. Srinivas Rao says 5 liters of water. Okay. So we take in food, water, and how much air do we take in? Okay, let's get to sleep. How much do we sleep generally? 8 hours of sleep, 7 hours of sleep is what is generally required. 6 hours of sleep. Okay, Pavan says 6 hours of sleep is generally required. So food, sleep, water, how much of air are we taking in generally? So the 4th source of energy is breath. So how much breath are we taking in? Do you guys know how much breath do we take in every single day? Any guesses? 7, 8. we take in liters. We count breath in liters. So 1, 2, 3. How many liters of breath do you think we take? Any guesses? 5 liters, 6 liters. We take in 10,000 liters of breath every single day. So every single day we're taking in 10,000 liters. You know, with a 1 liter water bottle, we take in 10,000 liters of breath every single day. How much attention are we really putting towards our breath? Absolutely not. Are you? Is your attention right now to your breath there? Are you present with your breath? It's not there. So the breath is actually cleansing your entire body and your mind. It's the link between your emotions. If you want to have emotional stability, if you want to stop overthinking in life, you need to have your breath at your right place. But how? How is it going to work out? So we have 7 levels in which our body, in which we exist as human beings. We have 7 levels. There's 7 dimensions in which we exist. One, what's the first thing you think? First thing is, how do you know that I'm talking to you right now? The body. I have a body. That's why you know me as Supriya. Body. Second is the breath. I'm breathing right now. Otherwise, I'm just the body. Right? We say take the body away, right? So body, breath, mind. I have a mind which is saying yes to things. There's something that's saying no to things. Fourth is the intellect, which says correct. This is the right decision. This is not. The fourth level of existence is the intellect. The fifth is the memory. You remember things. You remember that I took a loan from you. Remember things. Things come back to you all the time. Fifth. Sixth is the ego. Sometimes you have superiority complex looking at somebody. Sometimes you feel inferior, right? That's the role of life. The last level of the existence is the self, the soul. You know, how do you reach the soul? When you cross the 6 levels of existence, the soul tells you the purpose of your life. The soul tells you what you have to do right now. The soul tells you this is it, because sometimes overthinking takes all over us. It's all over the mind. You're angry. You know everything in the mind. It's all intellectually present, but you do not know what to do. You do not know how to tell your kids sometimes on what to do as well, because we don't know ourselves on what to do or how to really handle our emotions and our mind. So when you cross the 6 levels of the existence, you reach the soul. How do you reach the soul? With the breath. So you breathe right, and you will know that this is the best way to. Okay, let's do this. Let's all do this pranayama right now. Okay. So wherever you're sitting, make a loose fist in front of your shoulders. If you're holding your phone, just place your phone in front of you. So make loose fists in front of your shoulders. Your elbows are slightly touching to your rib cage. Okay. So you can just watch me first. So when I say breathe in, you're going to take your hands up and your palms are going to open. So you're breathing in and your palms open. As you breathe out, you're going to close your fist and you're going to breathe out like that. Simple. I'll show you how it's done. So when I say take a normal breath in and breathe out. Now in Bhastrika, it's called the Bhastrika Pranayama. So we're going to breathe in and relax. When I say relax, you're going to place your palms on your lap facing to the ceiling, and we'll keep our eyes closed. Why do we keep our eyes closed? So that we notice what's going on inside us. Okay, so let's all do this together. We'll do this very slowly. Okay, let's all keep our eyes closed. Let's make loose fists in front of our shoulders. Take a normal breath in and let go. Now for Bhastrika, breathe in, 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 and relax. Palms on your lap facing the ceiling. We'll keep our eyes closed and observe what's going on within the chest area. See if something is loosening up. See if the chest, the stomach, the navel area is releasing a little bit of stress. Let's get ready for Bhastrika one more time with our eyes closed. Let's take a normal breath in and let go. One more deep breath in and let go completely. Now for Bhastrika, breathe in, 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 and relax. Palms on your lap, facing the ceiling. We'll keep our eyes closed and observe the sensations within our body. See if you can observe your breath. See how does it feel. Keep taking long, deep breaths in and out. And you may slowly open your eyes. So how did it feel? Felt good to do Bhastrika? Something released, no? Something feels like it's gone up. The energy levels have gone up. Why? Because the breath is the main source of energy. The calm and meditative state of mind and breath. These are the last two sources of energies apart from food and water and sleep. So, when you have your breath in control, now you have a state of mind that is more calmer, more relaxed. Now you can make decisions better in this state of mind, right? So we do Bhastrika to feel more centered. We always want to feel more centered in life. We want to feel more calm and relaxed while making decisions. Don't want to get angry. We read all of these quotes and every Instagram, WhatsApp messages saying, take a deep breath in and relax. Ari, stay calm. Everything is going to be fine. But who's going to tell us how to be calm? Who's going to tell us what it takes to do this meditation, to do all these breathing exercises and techniques? So here in Art of Living, that's what we teach. Art of Living is this wonderful organization. It has been there since the last, it's been founded by Sri Ravi Shankar in the 1981. And this organization is spread over 150 countries, and it is 450 million people have done this technique. So it's called the Sudarshan Kriya. We will learn about this rhythmic breathing technique. We'll talk a little bit about it more. So how did you feel after Bhastrika? Good? It was good. Felt something was better, right? So in Art of Living, we only learn, we don't believe in only talking. We will teach you, you experience and you tell us how it feels, because this is a profound technique. You can do Bhastrika anytime. You feel like there's something bothering you. You feel like there's something that's irritating. You feel like there's stuck energy. I deal with regression therapies. I take a lot of therapies to people where I'm still in training, of course. And when I take therapies, I talk to people, they say, it's stuck. I feel like I can't get over the feeling of my boyfriend or my enemies or whoever, they have so many people. My dad is very irritating, or my mom just doesn't listen to me, or she doesn't understand me. There's just this feeling inside me that is stuck. When we get angry, we do this because there's a chakra over here. We want to cry and we feel like something is stuck. There's another chakra. So we have chakras in our body where energies are captured. How do you release these? How do you release emotions? Because if you keep stuck energy, stuck emotions inside you, it's very difficult. Okay, let's all close our eyes. Let's do this small exercise. Let's close our eyes. Take a deep breath in and let go. Now think of this person that you cannot accept at all, that you do not like. You think of this person and you go like, oh my God, why are you here? You cannot accept this person at all. Keep your eyes closed and keep thinking of this person that you absolutely cannot accept. You cannot take this person. Comes in front of you and you get super mad. How do you feel? Observe. Make a mental note on how you're feeling. Now think of this person you absolutely love. Without this person, your life would have been a waste. You love this person, whoever it is, your mom, your dad, your children, your teacher, it doesn't matter. You think of this person, you have a smile on your face and you love them. Make a mental note on how you're feeling and slowly open your eyes. How does it feel? What happens when you think of someone you don't like? Is there a feeling of contraction inside you in this area? Did you notice? Yes? Did you notice there's a feeling of contraction? And when you think of someone you love, there's something that's expanding. How many people observed? If you're really keen, you will observe. If not, it's okay. Doesn't matter. You've observed, right? So what is this something that is contracting and that's coming up? It's the consciousness. It's the consciousness within you. So how do you tap into this consciousness? With your breath. Every emotion has a certain breathing pattern to it. So we can flip that equation around. So with every breathing pattern, you can change your emotions. It's that simple. Sounds very simple, but it's very difficult to do. So you need a proper training to actually bring these formulas together, and you breathe in a certain pattern, you can start feeling better in your life. Yeah, makes sense to you? That doesn't make sense? We all want to learn how it feels, how to have a calm and meditative state of mind. Yeah. So let's do a small meditation. Everybody is okay with English or Kannada is okay? English ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಬರತ್ತಲ್ಲ? Everybody knows English. Okay, cool. All right. So meditation is nothing but deconcentration. So you're not concentrating on anything. You're not trying to pull or push consciousness or anything. We're not doing anything like that. We're just sitting, keeping our eyes closed, and we're just relaxing. And we're not doing anything. As soon as I say apple, you already have a picture of an apple in your head, right? Just like that, we're not trying to think of anything. We're not trying to control our breath, nothing. Bhastrika needed a little bit of effort. Meditation is no effort whatsoever. So we're just going to sit, keep our eyes closed until the instruction comes to open our eyes. We're just going to keep our eyes closed until what, for the next 5-7 minutes. We're just going to keep our eyes closed and just listen to the instructions without too much effort. Don't put in a lot of effort into the instructions. Just sit and listen calmly and see what's going on. If you want to, if you don't want to, it's totally all right. If you don't want to, if you don't want to pay attention, is what I mean. Please keep your eyes closed and just relax and see what's going on with it. Okay, so let's all keep our eyes closed. Take a long deep breath in and let go. One more deep breath in and let go completely. We'll keep our eyes closed and just listen to the instruction that's been given.
Easily, with our spine erect and body relaxed and loose. Let's close our eyes. Let's take a deep breath and slowly breathe out. Place that entire weight on the seat you are sitting. Breathe in again and breathe out. Now keep a smile on your face and breathe in with a smile. Relax all the muscles in your face. And as you breathe out, relax more and more. Become aware of your body. Your body is a beautiful instrument, a precious gift to you from nature, from God. Honor and respect your body. Take your attention to your legs, right leg. Relax your right leg. Left leg. Left thigh. Thigh. Hips. Genital. Abdomen. Stomach. Navel region. Right arm. Left arm. Chest. Shoulders. Breathe in again. And slowly breathe out. Your neck. Lips. Your cheeks. Breathe in again. Become aware of your nose. Breath is flowing into the nostrils. And breathe out. And become aware of your breath. Your eyes are closed now. Let them relax. Your entire face, your head. Relax the whole body. You're grateful for this body. Relax all the muscles and nerves in your body. Let go. Relax. Become aware of the thoughts. Whether good thoughts or bad thoughts, let them be. Breathe in once again. And slowly breathe out. as slowly as possible. Become aware of your mind. Your body is like a wick of a candle. Your mind is like the glow. Become aware of your mind all around your body. Become aware of your feelings, whether pleasant or unpleasant. Let them be. Breathe in again and let go. You are in harmony with your feelings right this moment. Just breathe in again and let go. Let go all efforts. You are peace. You are joy. Let go all efforts and relax. Become aware of your feelings and emotion if there are any. Become aware of the thoughts if there are any. Breathe in again and breathe out. Slowly and gradually become aware of your body and environment.
And whenever you feel complete, take a long deep breath in and let go. One more deep breath in. And with a beautiful smile on your face, you may open your eyes. How was it? Good. See, with this calm state of mind, whatever you do, whatever you experience is so much more better, right? Isn't it? See, our mind keeps oscillating between the past and future all the time. We're never in the present moment. Vinay Kumar says, feeling relaxed. Exactly. With this state of mind, don't you think you can achieve anything? Anything is possible. You know, I take so many trainings for people, and everybody says, I have everything in life. Yeah, I have the best wife, best husband. I have money. I'm super rich, but I just don't have that peace of mind. 15 minutes of meditation. 15 minutes. How many minutes do you think we meditated for 20 minutes? Did you feel the time? 20 minutes passed by. Is such a good experience. When do we close our eyes generally? To sleep. That's it. When you sit and meditate, the first thing in the morning, you feel so energized, you feel relaxed. You know, Bhastrika is done with effort. Meditation is effortlessness. The rule of life is effortlessness. You know, the more effort you put in life, the worse things get. You leave, you let go, you say, yeah, I've put in so much effort, now I don't want to. Things start happening. How many people have noticed this? And people have noticed that the more you just let go, things just start happening all by itself. That is meditation. And how do you have life? When do you live life? In the moment. Right now, you're living life. So how do you do that? Breath. The better you breathe. You know how much breathe we generally take. Our lung capacity, we only use 30% of our lung capacity. To increase our lung capacity, you know, if you go to the doctors, they say exercise, breathe more, do better. How? By breathing exercises. This by Sudarshan Kriya. So Sudarshan Kriya is a rhythmic breathing technique we teach in the Art of Living. It's been taught over 156 countries all over the world. Everybody does it. Harvard, NASA, name it. IIM, IITs. I have personally taught so many people. I've assisted so many workshops where I've taught youngsters, everybody, the Indian Army, this Sudarshan Kriya, this secret technique that has been preserved and been taught in every single country. There are 200, 250 countries in the world. 156 countries practices Sudarshan Kriya. What is this? It's a breathing technique. You breathe in a certain pattern. We all have a certain pattern in our body. Like the nature, like seasons have a certain pattern within them. Our body has a certain pattern as well. We just tend to forget. You see kids have a certain pattern with them. But the sixth level of the existence, the ego comes in between sometimes and we forget our pattern, which is totally all right. Everybody does that. So how do we get back to our nature? What do you do to get back to the pattern that we already have? You start feeling more alive. You start having more energy. First, you do Bhastrika, which is very good. You can take this home. You can practice this anytime you want to feel energetic. Instant energy you want in life. Sometimes you feel, I don't want to do anything. You just do Bhastrika and you're like, yes, now I'm ready. Or you suddenly want to give a talk. I did Bhastrika before coming to the talk. I just get a boost of energy. I said, yes, let's do this. So you do Bhastrika and then you meditate. You sit down and you meditate for some time and you feel, okay, now I'm more centered. Apart from this, you can't always keep doing Bhastrika and meditation. You have an interview, sir, 2 minutes, sir. No, that's not going to happen. So what do? You carry your breath with you at all times, isn't it? Hana, bolo, yes, na. We are breathing, right? Yeah. So we carry our breath with us. So how do you really put this breath into a pattern? That's a Sudarshan Kriya. Huh? So we have the Art of Living faculty with us today. They're present with us. We have Jayashree, Asha, and Sangeeta ji. 3 of them have been trained into the Art of Living since a lot of years. They've been teaching so many workshops and they've been transforming lives. I'm telling you, I have personally been in the Art of Living since 15 years now. It has saved my life. I was very close to giving up on life. As a kid, you always feel like I want to die, and I was very close to dying, trust me. But Art of Living really saved me because I thought I am so much better than marks, so much better than getting a job, so much better than getting married, having kids. That that checklist of life is there, no? Oh, you should get married. Oh, you should have best job. You should do this. No, I'm so much more than this life that is passing by very quickly. So I'm going to introduce Asha ji or Jayashree ji. One of you can take up and you can talk about the workshop that they're conducting. So over to you.
Thank you, Supriya. Thank you so much. Chala baga chepparu kadandi Supriya. She's my daughter. I'm a proud mother of Supriya. And okay, andariki relax ayipayara. China meditation Bhastrika. This is just a sample, Andy. Just ఒక 4 days వర్క్షాప్ కండక్ట్ చేయబోతున్నాం మేము. మార్నింగ్ 6 to 8 అండ్ ఈవినింగ్ 6 to 8. ఎనీ బ్యాచ్, ఒక బ్యాచ్ లో మీరు జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు. ನಾ ಓಕೆ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಇದು ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ತೆಲುಗುನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಓನ್ಲಿ ತೆಲುಗು. ಕನ್ನಡ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು 4 ದಿವಸ, ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ, ಫ್ರೈಡೆ, ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ, ಸಂಡೇ. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ 2 ಬ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇದು ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು. ನನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, 1-2 minutes. ನಾವು ಬಾಂಬೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಟಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಬ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇನ್ 2006. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್, ಕ್ರೌಡ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೌಡ್, ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಸೋ ಇರಿಟೇಟೆಡ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಿಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್, ನಾನು ಹೈದ್ರಾಬಾದ್ ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು. ಡೈಲಿ ನಾನು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ನಾನ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೈದ್ರಾಬಾದ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಗ ನನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಬಂದು, 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಒಂದು ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಬ್ರೆತ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್, ಅವಾಗ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಸಿಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ 10th ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ನಂಗೆದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಾನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೈದ್ರಾಬಾದ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲು. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಬಾಂಬೆನಲ್ಲಿ, ನಂಗೆ ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಯ್ತಾ. ಟೀಚರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಸ್, ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಭಸ್ತ್ರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಾವ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಆದಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ನೀನ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಬಾ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗೆ 4 days ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಹೋದೆ. ಈ ತರ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಸುದರ್ಶನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸುದರ್ಶನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ. ದಟ್ ಹಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್. ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನನೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಯಾವ ವಿಷಯ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಇರಿಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನೋ, ಯಾವ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇರಿಟೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ನೋ, ಅದೇ ನಂಗೆ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ನಂಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಓ ವಾವ್, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲೇ ನನ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದೇ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಆ ಥರನೇ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಆಗ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾನು ಸುದರ್ಶನ್ಗೆ 2006 ಇಂದ ಇಂದಿನವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಆ ತರ ನಾನು 2020 ಟೀಚರ್ ಆದೆ. 15 days ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನ್ ಈ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್, ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೈದ್ರಾಬಾದ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೈದ್ರಾಬಾದ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೈಟೆಕ್ ಸಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿರಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಖಂಡಿತ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದು ರಿಯಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು 5 years ಬೇಬಿಯಿಂದ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ 56 courses ಇದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 18 years above. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 18 ವರ್ಷ ಮೇಲೆ, ಏನೋ ಏಜ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್. ಯಾರಾದ್ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ 83 ವರ್ಷ, ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ 93 ವರ್ಷನ, ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗೋ 2006 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಬಂದವ, ನಾನು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ಓಕೆ, ಏಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ನಾವು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ನಮಗೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ರೂ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅವ್ರ ಸುದರ್ಶನ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈಲಿ 20 minutes ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್, ಭಸ್ತ್ರಿಕಾ, ಸುದರ್ಶನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಡೇ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈ 4 days ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಆಶಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನನ್ಕಿಂತ ಕೂಡ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಟೀಚರ್. ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡ, ತೆಲುಗು 2 languages ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಆಶಾ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಹರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಆಶಾ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಆಶಾ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೂ ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ನ್ಯಾಚುರೋಪತಿ, ಹೋಮಿಯೋಪತಿ, ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಅಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಅಲೋಪತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಅದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಸಿನ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೋದ್ರು. ಆವಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಅಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಂಡ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್, ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ವೈಸ್, ಮೆಂಟಲ್, ಎಮೋಷನಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ. ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್. ಸೊ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಭರವಸೆ ನನಗೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ 4 ದಿನ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್.
Absolutely. I think everybody should take out time for themselves because we have time for everybody else. Everybody else, ellarkosara namge time irutte, but for ourselves, these 4 days, take 2 hours out. 2 hours, 4 days workshop. Nan promise Martin. Take it from me that this is a huge transformation. The way that you will start breathing better, no, the more breath you will take, the more life will start looking better. Trust me, I'm telling you. So thank you so much for coming. I think, yeah, we've ended it at the right time.
Any questions? They
Yeah,
can
any
ask.
questions you have, the teachers are here to answer. Anything anybody wants to know? Any questions?
There is a procedure, a course ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು registration procedure ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. We will discuss when you contact us.
Yeah.
Okay. Questions? Any questions?
Anybody
Telugu,
ask something?
Kannada.
Yeah. Anybody
Thank
wants
you so much, Jayashree garu and Supriya garu. ఎవరికైనా ఏమైనా ప్రశ్నలు ఉంటే అడగొచ్చని విజ్ఞప్తి. బిఫోర్ మనము ప్రశ్నలు అడగడానికి ముందుగా మీ యొక్క ఈ కొద్ది నిమిషాలు, ఒక 20 నిమిషాలు 30 నిమిషాలు ఏం చెప్పారో ఆ 20 నిమిషాలు మీకు ఏం ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉందో ఒకసారి చెప్తే, ఏం ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అయింది ఇది వినక ముందు, ఇది చేశాక, ఒక్క 10 నిమిషాలు ఒక వర్డ్ లో కానీ ఒక సెంటెన్స్ లో చెప్పగలిగితే దట్ విల్ బి మోర్ వాల్యూ. మీరేం ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అయ్యారు క్రియా చేయక ముందు, భ్రస్తిక చేయక ముందు, చేసిన తర్వాత ఏమనిపించింది అన్నది ఒక్కసారి మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చెప్తే బాగుంటుందని.
Yes, Mr. Prabhakar Rao, you can continue. You want to say something?
Yeah, please. Yeah, just before starting this session, I don't know how the mind was, but soon after completion of this session, I feel the mind has become more calm. Something not exact, I cannot put it in words, but something that I have some control over my mind. I'm not sure of it, but yeah, something mind become very calm and cool. That's my experience.
Fantastic. I'm so happy to hear that. The mind is more settled, right? Yeah. I'm so glad. So you can practice Bhastrika and do meditations at all times. It's always available. Free
But
techniques are available every time.
Yeah. I have a small doubt regarding this. Those who have any restrictions of doing this Bhastrika, those who cannot, who should not, or who should, something like that. It means if anybody has a heart problem or a BP, high BP, normally I have seen other yoga teachers, they are saying those who are having high BP, they should not do this Kapalabhati or Bhastrika pranayama.
Correct. See, Kapalabhati is different. Bhastrika, we just breathe in and we forceful breath, we breathe out like that. For those who have high BP, just don't use forceful breath. Just breathe in, raise your, open your palms while breathing in, and breathing out, not forceful breath, just నార్మల్ గా మనం ఎలాగా ఊపిరి తీసుకొని వదులుతామో, నార్మల్ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಉಸಿರಾಟ ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ತೀವೋ ಆ ಥರನೇ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಬ್ರೆತ್ ಬಿಪಿ ಹೈ ಬಿಪಿ ಇರೋರು ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿಲ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್.
ನಾನು ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ.
ಶೋರ್ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ನೀವು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
So I'll write down my number and mom's number as well. So if anybody wants to register for the course, you can contact us. Okay, so wait, let me just write down the number. Yeah, so that's my number. So you can always contact me to find out what the timings are, how much is the donation, what you want, what do you have to do for the workshop. And there are a few guidelines obviously for the workshop for it to happen, for you to come there. It's a 4-day workshop for 2 hours each. So we're going to conduct this and it's going to happen very soon. lots of teachers take these workshops, but we have the course in Kannada specially for this batch. So we're taking it in Kannada for the first time for all of you all. So Kannada and Telugu also. So if you want to join this workshop, it's going to be fantastic. We are going to be there. So Jayashriji, Asha and me, we're going to be there together. We'll be conducting the workshop only. So
Kannada, excuse me, Supriya, 1 second. Kannada, Telugu and English. So those who cannot understand Kannada will take in Telugu also. రెండు లాంగ్వేజ్ లో తీసుకుంటామండి, కన్నడ తెలుగు రెండు అర్థం అవుతుంది. ఇంగ్లీష్ లో కావాలంటే ఇంగ్లీష్ లో simultaneously will be teaching.
Yeah. Any other questions? Somebody wants to ask something or share their experience. But tell clearly about donation. Okay, so if you can contact us, we'll get back to you on what the donation is about. Yeah.
Madam, I do have a breathing asthma.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Who is this?
శ్రీనివాస్ సాంబ్రాణి గారు కొద్దిగా మైక్ దగ్గర పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడతారా?
అచ్చా, డొనేషన్
My name is Srinivas. I'm Srinivas.
One second.
2000 rupees.
వన్ శ్రీనివాస్ ఒక నిమిషం జై శ్రీమామ్ వైని నిమిషం. శ్రీనివాస్ సాంబ్రాణి ఒక్క నిమిషం, ఇంతకు ముందు క్వైరీకి ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తున్నారు స్పీకర్, ఒక్క నిమిషం.
Donation for this course is only 2000 rupees. That will go to charity. You are paying it online. You are not paying it to the teachers. It will go to Bangalore International Vyakti Vikasa Kendra. There is an international ashram is there in Bangalore, Art of Living Ashram. All the donations goes there. It goes to charity. We'll be telling you in the course what the charity work. It's a big NGO in the world. One of the biggest NGOs, Art of Living. So whatever you are giving, the 2000 rupees goes to charity, right? Offline, because it is online, we are charging 2000 only. Offline, it will be more. And you are sitting in your comfort of your home. Kada mee intlo comfortable nimmanele kutkond ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, 4 days ನಿಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಆ ಸೆಂಟರ್, ಆಟೋನಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಸ್ ನಲ್ಲೋ, ಸಮ್ ಮೋಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್, ನೀವು ಹಾಯಾಗಿ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ I request you, I recommend you to do this course. Okay, continue. Any questions?
శ్రీనివాస్ సాంబ్రాణి గారు, యూ హ్యాడ్ సమ్, మీకు ఏదో డౌట్స్ ఉన్నది అడగండి ప్లీజ్.
ಮೇಡಮ್, ನನಗೆ 3 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಥ್ರೋಟ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಿತು. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ, ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ರೈನಿ ಸೀಸನ್, ವಿಂಟರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಬರೋಣ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮೈ vocal and lungs capacity?
Yes, this course is for improving lung capacity and immunity also. So
Okay.
I am a singer. So I had a problem. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೈ ಪಿಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡ್ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಈ ಸುದರ್ಶನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ನಥಿಂಗ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಲಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸುಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಲಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ 30% ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಕ್ರಿಯಾ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 20 minutes ಡೈಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಡೈಲಿ? ನಿಮ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಡೈಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್? ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೀವು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಇದ್ರಾ? మిమ్మల్ని మీరు ಚಾರ್ಜ್ చేసుకుంటున్నారా రోజు? లేదు. దిస్ ఈಸ್ లైక్ ಸುದರ್ಶನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 20 ನಿಮಿಷ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಯೋಗ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Simple joint rotation yoga and meditation, Sudarshan Kriya, Bhastrika and all. It's a package. 20 minutes, more than 20 minutes agodilla. Idu madidre nimage everything top to bottom balance agate. So nan personal experience helta idini. Nan haadu, nan MA music madidini, Carnatic music singer nan. High pitch haad helik barta ide. But idu madidre nange see how much nimage 100% ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 100% ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. I promise. ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರ ಹರಿಕತೆ ಇದ್ದಂಗ, ಕುಚನಂಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಂ కదా ಡಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅట్లా అంటే ನೋ ರೀಸನ್. 100% you give 100%, you get 100%. ಎಸ್,
ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಖಂಡಿತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ನಿಮ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ.
ಅದೇ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. ನಂದು ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೇಳಿಸಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
No,
ಇಲ್ಲ
don't get offended, Samrani.
No, no, no.
ಅವರಿಗೆ
no, no.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೋಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ.
ಅಚ್ಚಾ 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 ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್
ಸರ್
ಟು
ಕೇಳಿ.
Yeah, thank you, madam. Thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಎಲ್ಸ್? ಎನಿ క్వశ్చన్స్, డౌట్స్, ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్?
ఎవరికైనా ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్, ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ మీరు ఎలా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అయ్యారు అన్నది షేర్ చేసుకుంటానంటే దయచేసి ఆన్ చేయండి. వెంకట్ చెట్టి గారు, పవన్ గారు, పవన్ తడకపల్లి, ప్రాణేష్ గారు.
Pawan, you can share your experience after doing Sudarshan Kriya, how you felt.
Yeah, I mean, నేను ఆల్రెడీ ట్రైనింగ్ కూడా ఇంత ముందు అటెండ్ అయ్యాను, but I'm not practicing. Yes, I know the kind of a relaxation that we get after this whole process is done, but I need to start doing it again. Yeah, there is అంటే చాలా రిలాక్స్ అవుతాము. At least as I said, as in the starting I said, to get out of the stress, we'll take a coffee, better than a coffee.
Wow, that is the best. So you can always see, once you pay 2,000, we are not going to leave you, because we are going to be there with you always. Okay, so anytime you feel like I want to go back, I want to feel that again, I want to relax again, you can come back and do the course for free all your life. 2,000 is just like a small amount that you're paying. After that, you can come back and do the course, repeat the course for free all your life. Sounds good, no? Who does this? No organization gives you such a feeling that you pay little donation amount of 2,000. How many coffees do you get in 2,000?
It varies where you take your coffee.
So maybe how much is the effect of a coffee generally if you take even, let's say, 20 coffees? Effect of coffee?
The effect of coffee is 5-6 minutes or 10 minutes, but the repercussion of coffee would be there for years because of the acidity and all that pumps in.
Exactly. So this 2,000 rupees that you're learning Sudarshan Kriya for, the effect is lifelong. So imagine any product, take any product, pizzas, coffees, jeans, movies, name it, versus Sudarshan Kriya. I will give you a guarantee that all your life, you will be using this, because it's your breath. You will be using your breath all your life anyway. So it is going to last forever. Don't think twice before you pay 2,000. This is literally the cheapest that you're going to get therapy for. People go for mental therapy. I take therapy to people every time I finish Sudarshan Kriya with them, they said, "Yaar, what is this? Why have you not told me before? You could have saved my life. You could have saved my kid's life. Why didn't you tell me this before?" Yeah. So don't think twice. Come join this workshop. I'm telling you, ask anybody the experience after Sudarshan Kriya, and it is fantastic. It is known all over the world, and it is in your hands. It is your life. You feel like you can take up risk, take up challenges in life, and it's in your hands. You don't want to, you can crush it. You want to, you can give it life as well. So it's in your hands to make your life better.
Good evening. This is Vinay Jarki.
Yeah.
It was really a great experience, and I really felt so much of peace and very calmness, actually, which I never experienced for many days together. I think, especially we working in IT and taking so much of stress and anxiety, all the project deliverables and balancing all the adhyatmic and professional life, spiritual life. I think this is really a very interesting thing that I found, and this is very,
You should
very
ask
helpful.
Vaini. She has done the course. She's done Sudarshan Kriya. Ask her an experience. Pallavi Havaldar has done the course. You should ask these people on how they felt.
Yeah.
The experience of it is phenomenal. The way they can sleep better at night, the way they can make decisions is just fantastic. You do Sudarshan Kriya 20 minutes, you will have a thoughtless state of mind. Let me give you a little secret, little hint of what it does to you. You will have a thoughtless state of mind. When have you had a thoughtless state of mind before? almost never. So you will have that state of mind where you're just integrated with yourself completely, and you can just stay relaxed no matter what is happening in front of you. Even if the worst situation is there, you can still be calm. Okay, now what am I supposed to do? So that's what it'll get you. So the workshop, this is what's going to happen. And we have some fantastic trainers who've been trained directly under some great people. So you should try it out.
Sure, definitely. Thanks a lot for taking out time. It was a really great session.
Thank you
Thanks
so
a
much
lot.
for coming. Thank you so much for coming.
Hey, Supriya, this is Sripati here. Just a quick question. I joined a bit late, but I think I joined when you were actually concluding almost the breathing session. You were calming down and all. One question that I had was whether the age eligibility that you talked about. You said 18 years to any age above, right?
Yes.
So I was keen to get my son around, and he was looking at me. Hey, I will not join this because it's only for 18 years and above. Okay. So I said, no. When you watch movies which are meant for 18 years and above, right? There's no point that you need to escape from this, right? So that's how I put it. And then, but then I wanted to get your confirmation that it is available for maybe people who are less than 18 also, right? Who are interested in this.
It is available for 18.
I'm not pumping answer on you, but you can take a calculated way and let the audience know whether it is available for maybe 14, 15, 16 years age as well.
Yeah. So this particular workshop that we're doing right now is 18 plus only. So Sudarshan Kriya that we are talking about right now is 18 plus. We have other workshops for kids as well. So like my mom was mentioning as well. So 5+ years, anybody can learn. So Sudarshan Kriya is very different for them because they don't need mental peace. They already have mental peace. Kids already are very calm, and because you beat them up, they'll cry for 2 minutes and they'll be all happy. They'll come back to you. We'll have a grudge. We'll keep it in our mind and remember it all our life. So kids have a separate course. I did my course when I was in 10th class. That is when I was in 6th grade. So that it's called the Art Excel and the Yes programs. We will circulate that if it's happening. So my number, I've given my number. You can reach out to me at any time you want to. I'll just give it out again.
I noted it already.
You noted. Okay. So you can get back to me on if there's any course that's happening. You just send me a message and I'll remember if there's a course happening. I'll get back to you. Yeah.
So my son is in 10th now. He's 14. So yeah.
Okay.
That's fine.
Yeah. So I'll get back to you on a course that's happening. Yeah.
Sure. All right.
Okay. Great. So anybody else has any questions, or we're ready to conclude this? Good. Felt good. Good session. Good 45-minute, 1 hour session. Huh? Nice, no?
My son is happy with your answer, Supriya.
Yay. Yeah. So good. It was fantastic having all of you all. Thank you so much for coming. And we all had a lot of fun meditating and doing Bhastrika together. Keep practicing meditation, Bhastrika. If you feel like you just want to meditate, you can always go online and search, look up for guided meditations. It's really helpful. Bhastrika, you can do empty stomach before food. If you feel like there's too much emotions and all, you can always do Bhastrika 2 times and 10 rounds. Yeah. Someone wants to say something?
Supriya, bala chennagi helidde. Keep it up.
Anil Mama, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
One last question I have.
Yeah, but yes.
How to keep motivated that I should do Sudarshan Kriya? Because I learned it. I dropped the ball in between. I'm interested, but again, as Vinay said, with so much of irregular calls we have and all ad hoc things we have. I mean, of course, it's an excuse that we are not getting time. I do agree, but there should be some motivation. Is there a way, a technique again to motivate ourselves? Because you people might have come across so many people like us who learned but didn't practice.
Yeah, I think once you fall back into life and once you see that life is again beating you up, you feel like there was something that I did, no, something that I did that was fantastic. How do I get back? And then you'll be like, Arey, that day, because I've had somebody who did the course 20 years back. So someone came back to me when I was doing it again. I was taking a course, and they said, yeah, Supriya, life was miserable, yeah, miserable. And I had gotten such deep levels of misery. And I thought, what did I do? What was that one thing that saved my life? And I said, Arya Sudarshan Kriya, come back. And after 20 years, he did the course again for free, of course. Like I said, you can repeat the course anytime for free. And then he came back and he said, my anxiety, my depression, my relationships, everything, my relationship with my kids, they started loving me more because I started, being that happy source. They started seeing me as a better example because I was happy. If you're happy within, you start noticing that okay, I can radiate happiness and people will start coming to you. So if you are only not happy, how do you expect things around you to be happy? They say that, right? So you just come and repeat the course one more time and you will see that you'll be back again. And motivation factor is your own experience. You go, don't do Sudarshan Kriya, no problem. You see that it's going to come back to you again and again. You cannot but live without your breath. Your breath is very important, right? So you'll come back.
Thank you. Yeah.
Great. So, Praladana, we are ready to end the session. If you want to add something, please go ahead. Jayashree ji, Asha ji, and I, we are done.
Any
Thank you so
questions? No more questions.
Any
no?
more questions? Kavita ji and Venkat Chetty garu, Pallavi Havaldar ji, because I heard that you already done Kriya. If you can give your experience, that would be good if time permits to you.
ಪಲ್ಲವಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೋರ್ಸ್
Yeah.
ಹವಲ್ದಾರ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕೋರ್ಸ್
Yeah, he dropped off in between actually. Srikanth Havaldar dropped off in between. Anyway,
he completed. Now
Yeah.
again he can repeat. Anybody can repeat the course.
Yes.
Okay, so nice.
If anybody wants to share something, you can. Otherwise, the session is done. Yeah. Over to you.
Yeah. On behalf of all the participants, patrons, and devotees of JGRST host, we would like to thank Asha ji, Jayashree madam, and Supriya ji. It was a very wonderful session. Just a disclaimer here: this is not any session of promotion or anything for AOL. This is just that AOL or the representatives of AOL are doing some service for our enhancement of our peace. So that's we wanted to bring in over here. Just ensure that this not a promotional event or activity for AOL. It's up to you to take it up and then be benefited out of it. If you do not want, that's fine. But it's only that if you take it up, you will get the benefit out of it and you'll be more peaceful. Like how Pawan was saying, anxious because after attending this, he's been saying that I'm not able to take it up, and that's something like is regretting. So just to ensure that how you'd be benefited out of it and be more emotional free, the JGRST, its committee and being led by the guidance of our Reverend Acharya Pandit Lakshmi Acharya, we are conducting these programs. We wanted to be a multifaceted society, also multifaceted trust. That's why we are bringing in multiple events like this. We once again thank all our patrons, devotees, and trust committee members for giving this opportunity. And we thank Supriya ji, Jayashree madam, and Asha ji. Asha ji have been quietly listening to everything and being showing up how this kriyas would be. See, her smile since beginning is letting us know that how she's enjoying her life despite having so many troubles in personal life. So let's take advantage of this program and let's also be benefited of this program. We thank Sri Rayaru and Ityadi Gurugalu and Harivai Gurugalu and Haigriva Devaru for giving us this opportunity, and bow back to them again to give us more such opportunities on a multifaceted levels. Thank you one and all again. Naham Karta Sri Hari Karta. Krishna Arpanamstu. We are devotional organization, but we would like to be, as I said, multifaceted. Please be connected with us and you will have multiple benefits that would be floating in. It's an off the topic discussion here, but still the trust is executing Parayana activities, Suladi Parayana. I see some new faces here, Satish Badangapet and few others. That's why Narasimha ji and Chandana ji. So Trust is organizing a Parayana activity from last 11th of this month for a Laksha Narasimha Suladi being recited by different people. We had Dhanavantri Parayana being completed. We would like people to enroll onto this Laksha Narasimha Suladi Parayana and Laksha Raya Stotra Parayana to be completed by this Sri Raya Aradhana program being held on August 24th, 25th, 26th. By then it will be 350th year of Aradhana of Sri Rayaru. So let's all take advantage of this program also. I know everybody is doing some Parayana from their end also, but please do participate in this and also take advantage of the main agenda of this program is to take advantage of the AOL programs that will be coming in. If you have any questions or doubts, please do not hesitate to get in touch with Jayasriji, who has executed more than 50 courses, and Asha PKG, who all the three facilitators are local to Hyderabad, Bhagyanagar. So you can approach that phone and you can go and contact them, talk, express your personal feelings, and then get your queries solved if there needs to be any. Hopefully you will not have that major problems by taking up this kriyas and everything. You'll get rid of all your personal problems also. Anyway, thanks one and all again. Naham Karta Sri Hari.
Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you so much for organizing. Bye.
Thanks.
It's great having all of you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.